this video we will discuss about the characteristics of Archea, Eubacteria and eukaryotes. As in previous video we have discussed about the domain Archea, and before that video we have discussed about the whole about the domain and domain Archea and all about them. So in this video we will discuss the characteristics of the Archea, Eubacteria and eukaryotes. So first of all here we will write characteristics, and here Archea, here Eubacteria and here eukaryotes. First of all, first character if we talk about, that is cell wall. That is cell wall. So if we talk about cell wall in Archea, that is made up of the polysaccharide. We are having polysaccharide, that is the carbohydrate. So it is made up of the polysaccharide and protein. It is made up of polysaccharide and protein. But if it's not having cell wall, if any Archea bacteria having cell walls, so that is made up of the polysaccharide and protein. But if not, so there will be the no cell wall, right? So after that, second character we have, that is a cell membrane. So if we talk about cell membrane in Archea, we have discussed also this one thing in previous videos, that if we talk about cell membrane in Archea, that is made up of the ether bond. That is made up of the ether bond, but which branched ether bond. After that, if we talk about third character, that is rRNA, ribosomal RNA. So if we talk about rRNA, so that if we talk about in Archea, so that is different from the Eubacteria. rRNA is different from the Eubacteria in Archea. That is different from Eubacteria. After that, if we talk about RNA polymerase, what is RNA polymerase? It is a type of RNA polymerase. This is an enzyme, right? So RNA polymerase, that is present in several kinds. In Archea, if we talk about, it is present in several kinds, not in one kind, but it's present in several kinds. After that, if we talk about introns, in Archea, that is present in some genes, not all, but that is present in some genes, not all. After that, sixth character we are having, that is the rRNA sequence. rRNA, ribosomal RNA sequence. Sequence is, as we all know, sequence of the RNA and DNA, that is very important in every cell. So if we talk about rRNA sequence in Archea, that is like this: AAA. This is the rRNA sequence in Archea. Now if we talk about in Eubacteria, the cell wall, if we talk about in Eubacteria, that is made up of the peptidoglycan. That is made up of the peptidoglycan. After that, if we talk about cell membrane, as in Archea, it was made up of the ester bond and branched. In this, it's also made up of the ester bond, but it's unbranched. There's only difference that it's made up of the branched and this is made up of the unbranched. After that, if we talk about rRNA, so as I discussed here, that is rRNA different from the Eubacteria in this. So in this we are having also unique, we can say rRNA in the Eubacteria, that is unique. After that, if we talk about RNA polymerase, as I discussed in Archea, that is present in the several kinds. But if we talk about in Eubacteria, that is single. In Eubacteria, single RNA polymerase is present. After that, if we talk about introns in the Eubacteria, that is absent or very rare here some genes were present, but here if we talk about eubacteria,